Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so happy to announce the giveaway winner for the size 7 Croc. I have a Coach unboxing, and after we finish with the small Coach unboxing, I'm going to go ahead and do the raffle for the giveaway winner for the size 7 Croc. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, keep on watching, stick with me. It's such a fun giveaway, you guys, and there has been a lot of, I think everyone, a lot of high demand for the size 10 Croc. A lot of you women told me that you were very interested in the size 10 Croc. So I have two of these size 10 Crocs that I will be raffling off. They will be the next Croc that will be up for grabs, you guys, out of the stash. So go ahead and put Crocs size 10 in your comment if you're interested in the Crocs size 10. These are the beautiful Crocs in the size 10. And we have this lovely daisy one that will be up for grabs, as well as this lovely blue one right here. The blue and the daisy is pretty with all the little cute ornate daisies, but this blue color is so stunning. Very, very cute, you guys. So if you don't know, we're doing a 10 Croc giveaway on my channel. I'm so happy about it. It's just such a fun giveaway, you guys. And I want to see you guys, when you receive your Crocs, go ahead and show me when you jazz them up with your gibbets and your Croc charms. Go ahead and DM me on Instagram so that I can see, if you post a picture of your Crocs all jazzed up, how you're wearing them. Take a picture of them and just DM me on Instagram, because I want to see how you decided to go ahead and put the charms in your Crocs when you receive them. This blue pair, you could put the gibbets and the charms on the little strap right here. So I think it would be fun to see. So after you get your Crocs in the mail, make sure you go ahead and send me a picture through DM on IG or some kind of way. Email me so that I can see how you're wearing your Crocs, you girls, because we're going to be Croc twins right now for the month. So the unboxing that I have is right here, and it's a Coach unboxing, and it's just a little small item. A lot of you ladies already have it, but it's new to me, so I wanted to go ahead and share it on my channel. So I have my receipt right here from Coach. Sometimes I couldn't even find my scissors, so I had my little pink ones, so I was able to locate some real scissors this time to go ahead and do the unboxing. So here is the item right here, and this is the way it came from Coach, and you might be able to figure out what it is I purchased. And you girls know we were talking about planners the other day, and the RONGRONG DeVoe planners that we love so much, but I was trying to resist this piece. I noticed that happens to me a lot. I try to resist a piece, and then I think sometimes you might as well just purchase it when it's on sale, because you always end up doubling back and picking up and purchasing that item. So this item right here was available, and the vintage rose design of it was available. And it was only $29 on sale when they first started the whole Back to Bright collection, vintage roses. And I don't know what I was thinking, because I knew I wanted it when I saw it, and it was only $29. Well, sure enough, the vintage rose one just flew off the shelf, and it was out of stock. So I had to go ahead and get the regular version of this item, which is the canvas monogram CC, which is okay, because the vintage rose one is really pretty, but I think I have enough of the those items in my collection, and I'm quite happy with this one because it'll be able to just look more neutral and go with a lot of my handbag and my items. So this is it right here. So I guess you guys can see what it is. Oh, this is nice. I like it. So it's the Coach notebook in signature canvas right here. This is it. And I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of this foam out. It's actually softer canvas than I had imagined. I thought, it's a nice, flexible, soft canvas. It feels good to the hand. So I'm going to have fun with this because, I can go ahead and use this as well as my RONGRONG DeVoe planners. I can bring this along with one of my RONGRONG DeVoe planners with me. So I'm going to enjoy this piece in my collection, and it goes with so many of my bags. So let's go ahead and get started. That was a quick unboxing. We finished that up really quick. So we had 15 entries for the size 7, and these are the size 7s right here. And I'm so happy to be giving. We're gonna be moving right along with this giveaway, you guys. We're gonna keep it going because I want winners. So this is the lovely size 7. I will be putting these in the mail today to the lucky winner. And thank you guys so much for supporting me and commenting and watching all the videos. So there were 15 entries, and what I did was I put them all in this Starbucks cup. So there's 15 of them. Maybe we could count those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So all 15 entries are in here, and I'm just going to give it a good shake. Now, keep in mind that I had to do this video to record it for today. So if you entered after a certain time yesterday, it probably didn't go in the count. But as of yesterday around noon, I had 15 entries for the size 7. And moving forward, we have a couple of size 7s. And the next Croc up will be the lovely size 10. So let's go ahead, and I have it in a new Starbucks tumbler cup right here. Let's go ahead and see who the lucky person will be. I just shook it up. Let's go ahead and grab one name out. So I have one name out of the 15 right here. And let's go ahead and open it up and see who the lucky winner is. Jennifer J. So Jennifer J is the winner of the size 7. Congratulations. Yay. I'm so happy for you. So this is the size 7. And Jennifer J, please go ahead and email me at my email. Go ahead and send me an email. Is it www.saltgirl860@gmail.com. Go ahead, and I can't remember my own email. Go ahead and email me, or you could DM me on Instagram, and I will put this in the mail for you. Jennifer J, congratulations. Yay! Yay for your winnings. And the next size, you guys, if you're interested, and if anybody wants the size 10 is up for grabs. Go ahead in the comments down below. I have these 2 size 10s right here. They're both so nice Crocs. Go ahead and put size. It seems like a lot of ladies wanted the size 10, so I skipped over a little bit. We're going to go back to the size 8s and the size 9s, but I wanted to get going with the size 10s because a lot of people were saying they were waiting for them. So go ahead and put Crocs size 10 in the comments down below. In the next couple of days, I will be back to reveal the winner of the Crocs size 10. This giveaway is just so fun. I'm having such a blast with you guys. It's just so much fun sharing what we love, the handbags and fashion and everything that we love here on YouTube, you know, in this community. So if you haven't joined the channel, come on aboard, jump on the channel so that we can have fun together. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I have a lot of other good, fun, upcoming videos for you guys. So yeah, come on aboard. I could talk forever, so I'm going to go ahead and end it right now. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video.